Hey guys, this is Calculus from Lee, and in this video, I'm taking you through linear approximation. Okay, so linear approximation of most variable function, and I have a problem here, which is find the linear approximation to the function z equals 3 plus x squared on 16 plus y squared on 9 at the point negative 4, 3. How do we solve this problem? For linear approximation, now what we are trying to say is we have a known function. We want to approximate it at a certain point. We are not sure, but surely you have the actual point plus a change. You remember in high school, you'll be asked to find the square root of 4.0001. The idea is that we know actually that the square root of 4 is 2. How do we account for the change 0.0001? That's where linear approximation comes in, and we apply differentiation to counter or to compensate for the change. So generally, the linear approximation at any point xy is given as the functional value x f of x naught y naught plus the change. So this is the actual functional value, then the change will come. Change contributed by what? Partial derivative, since we are doing multivariable. Fx at x naught y naught multiplying x minus x naught plus my fy at x naught y naught multiplying y minus y naught, and that is all. So in this problem, you only need the functional value fx at the point and fy at that point. What's my functional value? F of negative 4 comma 3. Simply z, which is equal to 3 plus negative 4 all squared over 16 plus 3 on 9. So 3 squared on 9. This gives 3 plus 1, which is 5. My fx is very simple. If you are not x, you are becoming 0. You are just a constant, okay? So this will be 0, this will be 0. I'll have 2x over 16, which is x over 8. Then my fx at this point, negative 4 comma 3. I'll put negative 4 inside, and that'll give me negative half. Done. My fy is simply going to be what? 2y over 9. This will be 0, 0. So 2y over 9. And at the point, my fy negative 4 comma 3, I'll put in my 3, and I'll simply have 2 over 9 times 3. 3 goes into itself 1 and goes here 2 over 3. We are done. So at this point, my linear approximation at negative 4 comma 3 is simply equal to my functional value 5. Then I have plus my fx, which is negative half, multiplying the x minus x naught, is negative 4. So x plus 4 plus my 2 over 3 multiplying y minus y naught, which is 3. So I'll simply have the answer to be 5 minus 1 out of 2, x minus 4 plus 2 over 3, y minus 3. And that is all I have for you in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, then do also share.